Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of Twentage podcast. I'm Skan and today you won't get to hear Kashya's voice because she has gone vacationing. And guess what? At this point of time, I just want to go on vacation as well. My brother has gone vacationing and my Instagram stories right now are filled with people going into the hills, to the beaches, vacationing, and I'm stuck here at home. Not because of this pandemic, but because of college classes, online classes, assignments, and all that. And guess what? I'm just so bored. But, anyways, guys, enough of my rant. So, since Kashish is not here today, I'll be talking about something very, very personal, and that is my story. So, let's get straight into the podcast without any further ado. Hi, guys, I'm Skand. So, let me start this from 2018 when I was actually preparing for my board exams, which was due in 2019. So what was happening was, just like a lot of people, even I was facing this dilemma of time management a lot. मतलब मैं ट्यूशन जाती, उससे पहले मैं स्कूल जाती सुबह सुबह और हमारा स्कूल जो था वो होता 11 बजे से 5 बजे तक चलता वो. एंड मेरा स्कूल और मेरे घर के बीच का दूरी इट वॉज लाइक एन आवर लॉन्ग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैड टू गो टू द बस स्टॉप, फिर वहाँ से आई यूज टू टेक अ बस, देन आई यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. सो आने जाने में कम्यूटेशन में इट यूज टू टेक अराउंड 2 hours पर डे. सो ऐसे करके एटलीस्ट 8-9 घंटे तो वेस्ट हो ही जाते हैं. और एक बार अगर आप स्कूल से घर आते हो, सो आई डोंट थिंक यू जस्ट गेट डाउन टू स्टडी. सो आई यूज टू वॉच TV after I used to come back from school. So I was facing a lot of problems regarding this time management thing. And above that, I used to take tuitions as well because honestly speaking, whatever my school teachers were teaching, I don't know if they're listening to this podcast, then sorry, but whatever they used to teach does not used to get into my head straight. So I used to take classes as well above and beyond what they were teaching in school. So I had like 3 subjects where I was really weak. First accountancy, then economics, and then maths. And yes, I'm from commerce background, ISC. So those of you who don't know, just like CBSC, we have ICSC का counterpart which is known as ISC, and that is relevant for class 11 and 12 students. So till class 10 you have ICSC, and from class 10 onwards, that is in your plus 2 level, you used to have ISC. So okay, coming back, so I used to take 3 coaching, each for accounts, eco and maths. So my accounts coaching used to be in the evenings and sometimes in the weekend at around 10 a.m. and my eco classes always used to be in the morning. Okay, rarely do the teacher used to call us in the evenings, and my maths classes were always in the evening, right, from 8 till 10. So let me tell you my daily routine first of all. First off, I used to wake up at 9 o'clock. Not 9, but 8:30, yeah. Then I used to get ready for school. By 10, I used to leave my home. Then from 11 till 5 o'clock, it was my school. Okay. Then I used to come back at home by 6. And after I used to come back, I used to take some evening snacks, watch TV, and then I used to leave for my maths coaching classes again. So this went for around 2 months, right? और मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ रही थी. Whatever was there, whatever I was learning was there in the school and in the coaching institution, and I never ever used to read anything, never ever used to come and revise the topics. That is self learning मैं कर ही नहीं रही थी. And I think I literally wasted my 2 months of 2018 when I was in class 12, and I was really becoming very depressed, but I was getting really anxious कि इतना कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं. I mean, I'm putting so much efforts, but at the end of the day, I don't think they're going to pay off, because guys, let me tell you this straight. No matter how much coaching or how much diligently you follow your school or your college or anything, if you don't come back home and give some time to study those topics yourself, then that efforts which you put outside, that is in coaching institution or schools or colleges, it is worth nothing. एकदम zero हो जाता है उसका worth. Why? Let me tell you. So there is a personality on Twitter. I don't know if you all know him or not, but I follow him very diligently. He's called Naval, right? So one day I was just going through Naval's Twitter account, and guess what I found? He said that self-learning is always greater than what you learn from outside. That is a person, if there's a topic which I have learned on my own, then I will have more grasp on it than a person who has learned the same topic from someone outside. And this thing really struck me, क्योंकि मैं बाहर से तो अच्छे efforts लगा रही थी, but at the end of the day I wasn't giving time to study those topics on my own. So at the end of the day my worth was zero, literally nothing. Anyways, this went on for about 2 months. I think there are a lot of background noises right now, and I'm really sorry guys for this. You know, you just can't help sometimes being in India. Anyways, so this went on for 2 months, and after the second month I decided that this will no longer be my case, where I come back at home and I don't do anything at all. I was rather unmotivated, I would say, at that point of time, but still I picked up motivation. And you know, motivation is also part of this podcast, and that is in the later half, and I'm going to tell you something which you really might need to hear. Okay, so after the second month, that is from third month, I decided that no matter what, I will give time to myself to study those topics back when I come back at home. And that can be during any time of the day. That can even be during the weekends, when you're getting some time for yourself, when you're not going to school. And my school was very strict, let me tell you. They had a criteria where you have to maintain 75% attendance, or they will not give you admit card. And I know people who are my friends who did not meet this criteria, and they were not given admit cards for their board exams. And thank God, at that point of time I was just thanking God that I attended classes at least 75% of the times. So anyways, my school was strict, very strict regarding all this. Now coming back, so what I used to do was I used to wake up at 4 o'clock, and I used to give around 3 hours to myself to study those topics on my own. And believe me guys, when you are in class 12 level now, 3 to 4 hours is enough for self-study. In fact, I might have exaggerated this number, but this much is enough for class 12 level, especially if you are if you are diligently following your teachers, and you have a grasp of what the subject actually is. Now this does not apply to people who are not going to school, who are just sitting back at home and thinking कि हाँ यार ठीक है, चलो एग्ज़ाम के 2 महीने पहले 4 घंटे ही तो पढ़ना है ना, कर लेंगे नो. सो ये 4 घंटे वाला टॉपिक पता है कब अप्लाई होता है? जब आप पूरे साल पढ़ रहे हो, जब आप टीचर्स को डिलीजेंटली सुन रहे हो कि हाँ भाई वो ये पढ़ा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ये होता है, टॉपिक ऐसा होता है. एंड नंबर 3 ये कब अप्लाई होता है? when you know that you have a clear idea of what a particular topic might be about. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल नया नया खोला और बस सोचा कि चलो यार दिन में 4 घंटे ही तो पढ़ना है, नहीं. सो 3 points I mentioned here. Number 1, साल भर का है ये. ऐसा नहीं है एग्ज़ाम के 1-2 महीने पहले 4 घंटे हर दिन पढ़ के आप कुछ उखाड़ पाओगे. उखाड़ ही लोगे, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है, कोई बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं होता है ISC. Then number 2, you have to have a strong concept about what that topic actually is. And number 3, you have to follow the teachers diligently. If you are, then believe me, there is absolutely nothing stopping you from getting at least 95% plus if you are studying at least 4 hours a day. ठीक है? Now moving on, I always used to avoid studying at night. क्यों? क्योंकि क्या होता था ना, देखो, मैं 10 बजे जब मैथ्स ट्यूशन से वापस आती तो मैं फैमिली के साथ बैठ के डिनर करती. मेरी फैमिली मेरे लिए वेट करती और हम सब बैठ के डिनर करते 10. तो ये चलते रहता 11 बजे तक. और उस समय तक मैं इतनी ज़्यादा थक जाती थी ना कि मुझ पे और ताकत नहीं रहती थी. मैं सो जाती थी. मुझे बस बिस्तर दिखता और मैं सो जाती. मतलब बाई 11 मैं एकदम घोड़े बेच के सो रही होती. मैं इतना ज़्यादा थक जाती थी. बिकॉज यू सी 2 घंटे मैं कम्यूटेशन में लगाती हूँ एक दिन में स्कूल से आने जाने का. सो my energy was draining a lot. But I even had friends who got quite decent percentage in their class 12 exam, and their logic was this कि क्या होता है ना कि अगर आप रात में पढ़ते हो, मान लो आप 11 बजे पढ़ने बैठ रहे हो रात में, मान लो योर केस इज़ नॉट लाइक माइन जहाँ पे आपको 2 घंटे कम्यूटेट करना, मतलब ट्रैवल करना पड़ रहा है टू एंड फ्रॉम स्कूल. सो I used to have friends like this जिनके घर अराउंड 15 मिनट दूर थे स्कूल से, 15 मिनट से आधे घंटे. तो वो हार्डली 1 घंटा भी उनको नहीं लगता घर से आने जाने में. सो देयर लॉजिक फॉर नॉट स्टडिंग एट नाइट वॉज कि क्या होता कि वो लोग 11 बजे पढ़ने बैठते एंड बाई 1 बजे, मतलब आप 2 घंटे पढ़ लेते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि हाँ चलो यार आज कुछ किया है. मतलब वो 1-1:30 बजे जब उठते ना रात में तो उनको क्या होता, भूख लग जाता. ओके, उनको भूख लग जाता तो वो बस मैगी बनाने चल जाते. और रात में क्या होता है, मम्मी भी सोई रहती है तो आप किचन में घुसते हो, मैगी बनाते हो. एंड व्हेन यू सिट डाउन टू ईट दैट थिंग विच यू हैव मेड फॉर योर सेल्फ, तब क्या होता कि आप सोचते हो कि चलो यार अकेले ही क्या खाए, मूवी चला लेती हो. सो यू ओपन दैट मूवी. और क्या होता है कि आधे घंटे में नहीं लगते मैगी ख़त्म हो जाती है, बट मूवी नहीं ख़त्म होती है. एंड यू एंड अप स्लीपिंग एट 4 o'clock. देन यू वेक अप अगेन एट 10 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड गेस व्हाट, मम्मी से डांट खा के उठते हो आप कि क्या हो गया, इतनी लेट तक पढ़ने की क्या ज़रूरत थी, 10 बजे क्यों उठ रहे. और माई फादर ही इज़ लिटरली स्ट्रिक्ट इन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. अगर my father, he leaves for his office at around 9 AM. और अगर उस समय मैं या मेरे भाई अगर सो रहे होते हैं ना, then he comes and scold us like anything. So I guess that's the matter with most of you guys here. मम्मी पापा चिल्लाते हैं अगर देर तक सोई रहो तो. So this was their logic for not studying at night. And I know there are some people who will be like, नहीं मैं तो रात में बहुत अच्छा पढ़ लेती. But my suggestion to them is कि भाई ठीक है, चलो अच्छी बात है आप अच्छा पढ़ लेते हो, but always avoid this because this is going to have a longer impact on your health. Believe me guys, क्लास 12 का जो रिज़ल्ट है ना, वो फर्स्ट मतलब पास आउट करने के 1-2 साल तक आपको चुभेगा कि हाँ भाई अच्छा नहीं किया, अच्छा नहीं मिला. बट एट सर्टन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दैट विल बी वर्थ नथिंग. नॉट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि हाँ मत पढ़ो, वो बस 2 साल ही होता है उसकी वैल्यू, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होता. आई एम नॉट सर्टनली नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट. ऑलवेज गिव 100% ऑफ योर्स इन वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. बट माई पॉइंट हियर इज दैट always think like you are in a longer run. Okay, तुम गेम बहुत देर तक खेलने वाले हो. ऐसा सोचो कि मुझे ज़िंदगी में not only I have to be successful, but I also have to be healthy, because at one point of time I have literally seen people decaying. Okay, because they never ever paid heed to their health. So no matter what, always pay heed to your health. I'm not telling you कि जिम जाओ, ड्रोले शोले बनाओ. It's certainly not important, but healthy खाना, above all खुश रहना, try to stay happy. I mean, happiness is the key to health. Anyways, I think I'm straying away from the topic. Now let me come back straight. I used to wake up at 4 or 5 in the morning, and I used to study for 2-3 hours straight. So that was all self-learning I did till December when schools were functioning, right? So uske baad I used to leave for school, and sometimes even I used to study for only about 1 or 2 hours in the morning, because as I mentioned, हफ्ते में 2 दिन होते थे इको के morning tuition. So I used to leave by 8 o'clock, not 8, by 7:30 in the morning to reach my eco teacher's house for the tuition, right? Now coming back, what used to happen back in those days was that actually my school, I would say this was one good thing which they did, was that the school used to function only till December. Now I know people whose school used to function till January and they used to have pre-boards then, but my school, what they did was our pre-boards was in December, and by 19th of December we even had our farewell. So बस अब पार्टी भी ख़त्म, एग्ज़ाम भी ख़त्म, तो बस पढ़ना ही है, ऐसा हो गया था. So and I will even like to mention कि my tuition teachers, they completed all the topics by December, and by January I literally had to do everything on my own, and this played a lot of, and actually this cleared a lot of air in my mind regarding the subjects and its concepts. Because देखो, एक तो मैं घर आके पढ़ती थी, कंसेप्ट ऐसे ही क्लियर हो रहे थे, सेल्फ लर्निंग ऐसी हो रही थी, ग्रैस्प उस टॉपिक पे, उस सब्जेक्ट पे ऐसे ही मिल रहा था, एंड बाय दिसंबर मतलब आई हैड अ क्लियर आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट एवरीथिंग is about in the book. And after December I literally picked up topic wise मैं लेती, और मैंने जनवरी फरवरी ऐसे पढ़ाई की है. फिर फेब के मिड में एग्ज़ाम था, and I gave my exam, and guess what, I stood first in my district and I got 98.5%, and right now I'm in Shri Ram College of Commerce. Actually back when I was in class 8, me and Kashish, we used to talk a lot about SRCC, and I always used to wonder if I will even make it to that point or not, because let me get this very straight, I was not a very motivated person back then, I would say. Like, you know, right now I at least have a clear mind about life, but back then I was literally 13 or 14 years old when I was in class 8, and I had no idea about all these things, and I always used to think कि भाई यहाँ पे तो कोई genius ही जाता होगा, and you know, I even doubted कि even I'll be ever able to make it through or not. But when I actually landed in my dream college, it felt good. And today I have like a couple of things to tell you guys about. That is, number one, always think that you are going to be in the longer run. Because see, I will mention it once again, class 12 के results कुछ साल तक ही मायने रखता है, okay? At certain point of time, you have to see whatever is happening in your life is not affecting your body in a negative way. You have to think about this. No matter what you're doing, I'm not telling you to go to gym and, you know, work out a lot, but always eat healthy, do a little exercise. Even I used to do a little bit of exercise. I used to work a lot, really a lot. Around Saturday को क्या होता कि I used to have 3 tuitions on Saturday, all 3 tuitions, and I used to walk around 5 kilometers a day for that. And you know, walking 5 kilometers a day is literally not everyone's cup of tea. This was point 1. Always think you are in the longer run. Always care about your health. ये results, marks कुछ साल तक matter करेंगे, but what matters the most is कि आपकी health इससे कितनी ज़्यादा affect हो रही है. Number 2, avoid studying at night. I think this will be a repetition, but once again, please avoid studying at night. इसकी बहुत सारे impact होती है, not just psychological but also physical. Number 3, Number 3 is quite generic. I think number 3 is कि always have a grasp of what this topic is all about and never ever think कि 2 महीने पहले पढ़ के मैं उखाड़ लूँगी या लूँगा. Okay, 2 महीने पहले पढ़ के किसी ने कुछ नहीं करा है. Always, once again I'm telling you, try to think that you are in the longer run. Always have a clear mindset about whatever you're gonna do in your life. So एकदम शुरू से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो तो ज़्यादा नहीं, 1 घंटे पहले पढ़ो, शुरू के 1 महीने 1 घंटे पढ़ो, फिर 2 घंटे पढ़ो, ऐसा करके मतलब 3 से 4 घंटे पूरे साल पढ़ते रहो. और सेल्फ लर्निंग, दिस इज सेल्फ लर्निंग, राइट? सो बस सेल्फ लर्निंग करो पूरे साल भर, ज़्यादा नहीं, 3-4 घंटे करो हर दिन, दैट इज़ इनफ. कमिंग बैक टू पॉइंट नंबर 4 इज दैट आई वुड टेल यू कि ऑलवेज ट्राई टू लुक फॉर मोटिवेशन इनसाइड यू, राइट? क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि व्हेन यू वॉच अ मोटिवेशनल वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब, मतलब यूट्यूब चलाते चलाते थक गए, देन यू वॉच अ मोटिवेशनल वीडियो, अंदर से एड्रेनालिन रश हुआ, एंड यू गेट अप, यू स्टडी, एंड that lasts only for an hour or so. So you again have to be dependent upon another set of video to watch and feel that adrenaline rush to go and do something for your life, for yourself. But that is not how it should be done. This is something I feel, this is something I personally believe, and I know many might disagree with this, but always try to look for motivation inside you. कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है, so why should I be achieving this? Not because certain motivational speaker or certain YouTuber or certain podcaster is telling me to do so, but I should always try to look whatever is inside me that should be pushing me to do that, and I did this. I always, even today, if I'm doing something, I try to look for things inside me that should be motivating me, that should be a reason which is quite decent enough for me to push me to do something. Even with this podcast, me and Kashish, you know, we don't need motivation. We don't wake up in the morning, watch motivational videos, then sit down to record this podcast. We always try to look for things inside us, things that we need to achieve in life, things that is something very personal to us, and that should be achieved at any cost. And honestly, I don't follow or watch or have subscribed to any motivational speaker, YouTuber or podcaster. I am a very very fun person, literally. And even back then, जियो तो आ ही गया था 2018 में. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, not a lot, but still quite a decent amount, and they were all fun videos, like all the mainstream YouTubers, sometimes even comedy sketches and all. So I never ever have watched in my life a motivational speaker or YouTuber or podcaster, and neither should you. Don't look for external motivation. External चीज़ें fade हो जाती है. Always try to look for reasons inside you for something that you should be doing. Okay, this is something that is a very very important thing for everyone to know about, and I know many might disagree with this, but that's okay. That's what this podcast is for, to disagree and to discourse. Okay, and the 5th point which I should be telling you, this is very general. I mean, a lot of people will be telling you this, but this is very important, guys. Always dream. Always think that I have to go there, I have to do this, I have to do that, because unless and until you are not thinking about something, you will never get that. Have you read Alchemist? This dialogue is even in Shah Rukh Khan's movie. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात आपको इससे मिलाने में लग जाती है, and that is what actually works in life, in this universe. If you want something, if you are actually willing to go for something, you will get that no matter what. Sooner or later, you will get that. So always have a clear mindset about anything, and this is something which I don't think a lot of people have. They are like, ठीक है, जो होगा होगा. No, जो होगा वो ठीक नहीं है. We shouldn't always be happy about whatever your circumstances are, unless and until you are not in a position where you can justify yourself to your past self, right? कि अगर at this point of time I'm not at a place where I actually dreamt of where I actually dreamt of going or becoming, then I shouldn't be here. I should always be, you know, I should always be working towards going to that position where I wanted to see myself when I was a teen, or I was a kid, or even when I was a young adult. So always have a clear mindset. Always set your targets, set your goals. This is very important. Maybe you can take it in this way: manifestation. So manifestation. What happens in manifestation is that if you want to become, say, suppose at this point of time, I want to become like Elon Musk. So I would like to. I know this is a very hyped example, but still, I want to become Elon Musk in my life. Okay, I want to go to Mars. I want to do things which are very revolutionary. So I will, from this point of time, I will start acting like I am an Elon Musk. I am an influencer. Whatever I do, whatever I say becomes the rule in the world. Whatever I set my target on, whatever I set my eyes on, I will achieve that. I will start manifesting all those characteristics which Elon Musk has, and that is the very, very, very important step towards becoming Elon Musk. And even though I am not someone who will always advise you to go and become like that, I would tell you to go and become whatever you want to be. But still, that was an example. Whatever you want to be in future, try manifesting that person. How that person acts, how that person thinks, what that person believes in, and try to become that from this very day. And this is very important. Back in class 8, even I did not think that I would ever make it to the top college of India, but I did eventually, because once again, manifestation. Even at some point of time, I used to think that, okay, this is not gonna happen, this, that and all, but at the back of my mind, I just had one thing to think about, and that was SRCC. Okay, so I got admitted in SRCC when I was 18 years old, and I used to think about SRCC since I was 13. So 5 years I manifested to be in that position, and that I think the podcast has gone for too long, and with the flow, I might have, I spoke for too long. So sorry guys for that. I'll see you in the next one. And I am hoping that Kashish would be with me in the next one. Pata nahi iske vacation kab khatam honge. But anyways, I hope that you're vacationing. You are vacationing as well, even though I'm not. But चलता है यार, जिंदगी है, काम करती रहनी पड़ेगी. So thank you so much guys for listening to this episode. I know there were a lot of background noises because, as I mentioned, I'm not in home because my home is undergoing a construction right now, so I'm not in home, and I'm sorry for all the noises. I hope that in a few weeks time I'll be home and I'll be recording in a perfect environment. So thank you so much for listening to this podcast guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.